Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to clear Western Union history. If you want to clear your Western Union transaction history, then follow through the instructions till the end of the video. So let's get started. Launch open your preferred web browser and type in westernunion.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside the main homepage of Western Union, click on Login at the top right corner and sign into your account by entering your login credentials in the text boxes. After you are logged into your account, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the hamburger menu. Click on History from the expanded pop-up and this will be able to find all of the transactions that you've made with your account. If you don't have any transactions yet, you will see this kind of a message. But if you have a transaction, simply find the transaction you want to delete and click on the delete button. So that is how you can easily clear out your transaction history on Western Union. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.